Hey, I'm Annabelle, and what did I say it 2 times? Did I? I forgot. Okay, so this is how you make taffy, but I'm using slime. Why would I use taffy? That would just be weird, okay? Why would I use taffy? So I'm actually just using slime. But don't worry, I'll make it look like taffy. Why do I have black? And look, guys. Okay. So this. Then I love to do that, guys. If you see my other videos, I love to do that. You're watching taffy be made right now. Your favorite by your girl Annabelle. And it always sticks to me after this, guys. Ah, ripped it. And then it should look like that. A big machine just swooping it up. Then the machine. Oh my. Finally. Oh, look at that. And to get rid of the taffy, so then they do this. They lay it on the ground to make the lines as they lay it on the ground. Then they do a machine does the lines. Oh, they sponsored by Poopsie Surprise. Then they wrap it up like it's a little twisty ball. Oh, guys, this stuff is too fun. I'm sorry, I really don't want. And then, oh, it sounds like bubbles. Okay. And little pieces of the bubbles. And then I flip it over. I'm sorry, guys, but I think I'm very happy. If you smash that like button and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Peace out.